Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you guys this cool Star Wars background thingy right now. Here. No, we need a Roger in the air hull strike. There's a fire on the Johnson ship. Obi-Wan, we need help. Man down. Ewok. Luke, try to defeat Darth Vader. Yoda, stand Darth Vader. I heard you. I heard Yoda. I mean, I am Yoda. What am I saying? Hey, my name is Stormtrooper 605. What are you doing, Yoda? You're not supposed to be here. I mean, green boy. I should call you Yoda, because that's the Jedi's name. Boy, you hear that? This is Clone 6. I hear a big bad guy ship coming. Sounds like a fighter. I think it's stormtroopers. Boy, I'm not able. Punch the bullet. Still, we can't help save this man. He's dying. We need to call him back. I see somebody in the ship. Well, we need to call up backup. Backup's up. We need to get it. The wings have spread off the ship. We only found one. The Falcon is clear. I don't get it. How could those Ewoks grow so high? We shot a fighter. It's crashing. You saw that? That was the fighter. It crashed. It hit. It's a destroyed, low-control fighter. We need help. That's destroyed. I don't know who shot it down. I think it was the backup that we called. I think we should stop it on fire. We need to raise our guns at the fire because we need to undo the fire at that ship now at all ships. Otherwise, it gets worse. And we need to take that back to the factory. The fighter that just crashed, and it hit one of our teammates. It hit Jango Fett. No, I can't do it anymore. Well, all you gotta do is keep so breathe. We're calling Commander Breathe. There's a big blow up in the 60th place. I repeat, we don't need backup. Send the